Today, we are going to discuss the importance of maintaining calibration for your Triax family of impact testers. Imagine your system delivering inaccurate results, leading to costly errors. Calibration ensures precision and system accuracy. Without it, you risk data integrity, which can impact decision-making and operational efficiency. It is also a requirement in the standards to have your Triax, or G-Factor Go, calibrated. Let's explore why calibration is crucial for your Triax Touch Impact System. Regular calibration maintains system integrity, preventing errors that could cost your business time or even money. Calibration also ensures compliance. It is a requirement in many standards to have your system calibrated every 2 years. These standards include ASTM F355, F1292, F3313, EN 1177, and ISO 24667. It's not just about accuracy, it's about safeguarding your investments by ensuring reliable performance and compliancy. Ready to calibrate your Triax Touch Impact System? We only require 3 things. You will need to send the handheld device, the head form, and reference mat back to us at Alpha Automation. On older systems, the cables and top of the tripod may be required. Please contact us for more information and current pricing. Having your system calibrated will help you remain compliant and assist you with making sure the impact tester is working properly. By doing your reference drops before a test and comparing them to the calibration certificate, you can rest assured the data generated during the tests will be accurate. Remember, just calibrating the accelerometer does not make the system compliant. The electronics will need to be calibrated as well. If you have any questions or would like to schedule your calibration, give us a call at 609-882-0366 or email us at triaxtouch@alpha-automation.com.